In the last section, we installed two dependencies to our project. We're now going to go look at a diagram really quickly that's going to give us a better idea of how this application is going to be designed. Then we'll go back over to our code editor and start working on it. Okay, here we go. So in total, we're going to have three separate components inside of our application. We're going to have something we're going to call the app component. We'll have a comment box and a comment list. We'll first begin with the comment box right here. So the comment box component is responsible for showing this tiny little form to the user. It will have a text area and a button. And anytime a user clicks on the button right here, we will add the comment that the user entered to the comment list. In addition, when the user clicks on submit, we will also clear out all the text inside of the text area right here. The comment list component is going to have a very simple job. It's going to display all the different comments that the user has added inside this app. Both those components, so both the comment box and the comment list, will be displayed inside of something we'll call the app component. Now the app component really has no purpose or no big job assigned to it. All it really does is show the comment box and the comment list. That's all. So on the React side of things, three components, each of which pretty darn straightforward, I think. On the Redux side, we're going to have two big pieces. So for the Redux design of our application, we'll have a global state object with one reducer inside of it. That reducer is going to produce a piece of state that we will refer to as simply comments. This will be an array of strings where each string represents a comment that the user has added via that comment box form. Next up, we're going to have one single action in here as well. We'll call it the save comment action. So anytime we call the save comment action or action creator, we will pass in the comment text, and hopefully we're going to take that comment and add it to our list of comments that is created by our comments reducer. Now at this point, we've kind of looked at the design here. So we've spoken about, hey, what do we have in the terms of components, and what do we have in terms of the Redux side of this application as well. And at this point, you're probably thinking, Stephen, when are we going to be talking about the testing stuff? Well, believe it or not, we've kind of already been talking about the testing stuff, particularly in this section as well. So let's take a quick pause right here. We're going to come back to the next section, and you're going to figure out why talking about the different parts of our application and the responsibility of each one is a critical component of building out some testing inside of your application. So quick break, and we'll talk about why that's important in the next section.